The MS116, milled and sent out by Armattan Productions, Hatfield Flight, stunning. Welcome friends, a treat special from Armattan. Okay, this isn't directly from Armattan, it's from their sister company, Armattan Productions. They do custom cut frames to order. This is a MS116 by Hatfield Flight, I believe it is. If you search for MS116 on Armattan Productions, you'll find it, no problem. So what you do is find a design on Armattan Productions you like, or upload your own, hit buy, it goes through the pipeline and it gets custom cut when you order it to order. So it takes a while for it to get put through the pipeline and so forth, but it seems well worth it. Without further delay, you get your obligatory candy from them. This is a packing list, I believe. Yeah, MS116, a base plate, a top plate and two side plates. 2mm carbon for the base plate, 1.5mm for the top plate and the camera plates. So if this was a clone frame, I'd probably go for a 3mm, but since it's Armattan, it's high heat pressed 3K carbon and the weaves in the way of the arm and everything. Well, it's Christmas for me. The edges are all chamfered. It's got some protection on the outside for motors. This is for 11 size motors, but I've got some 13s that hopefully make up for the shortcoming of the Brother Hobby 1106s. Okay, it's nice and rigid, beautifully milled. So, as you'll notice, there's no hardware with it. You can buy it with or without hardware. For me, I've got hardware kicking about. This has a chinned design, I think. Okay, that's it mocked up. Gonna need to put some pressure on this to slot it into the carbon. It's a 116 motor, but that's fine for a 2-inch for me. It's got a custom milled out slot for a VTX03 LCD display, but I don't think it'll fit with my XJB stack. Being 15mm from base to top. You can order custom 20mm side plates, but I quite like the beard or chinned version, so I might have to stick it on the back end. So I'll mock this up quick. You will need, I think it's 4 15mm pillars and 20mm. If you're like me, you've got these kicking about from all other builds and so forth. You can order them direct from Armattan Productions, all in one package, and it'll take some M3 screws. The hole spacing is 20 to 16, I think. Nice way of doing it. Stick it together quick. Well, this took a little bit of persuasion, locating the top tabs. They're nice and tight though, so you're not going to get any play whatsoever in the camera plates. I reckon you could smack this with a hammer and it would hold. Very, very rigid, and your camera would be protected in there. Obviously it'll have a bit of up tilt. It's almost like a mini QAV, isn't it? Or a mini ZMR. I know there's other ones like the QAV 105 about. I don't think there's a patch on this. Yeah, it's a bit expensive, but well worth it. Again, this is Hatfield Flight, Alan Hatfield, Armattan Productions. I'll put a link in the description. I think it's $25 or something. But for a boutique frame, you can't really put a price on it, can you? It's just so nice. Just to round this out, it's 28 grams. Quite heavy for a micro, but with what's going on it, it'll be absolutely brilliant. You can't really pay too much for rigidity and nice design, can you? The MS116, milled and sent out by Armattan Productions, Hatfield Flight, stunning. Your belly. Hey.